clean with me.
Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? So as you can see in this video, I'm actually cleaning my tub. I'm cleaning my sink, my husband's sink, and I usually clean once in a while, and it's not that dirty today, but I do when I do clean, I do like to clean a little bit more, like a deep cleaning. So in the tub, the only ones that take a bath are the kids and me and my husband once in a while. So it wasn't as dirty, but it did have a little bit of dirt because they took a bath like 2 days ago, I think, or a day ago, and I usually clean it and kind of rinse it whenever they do, but my husband gave him a bath this time. So yeah. So here I am, and it's super hot up here, and I'm like sweating. So this was actually my workout for today. So yeah. And I usually clean with the supplies that I can find. It doesn't have to necessarily be like special supplies. So the shower, same thing. This is a tip for you guys. I leave a little brush in my shower so I can be able to brush it while I take a bath sometimes. Not thoroughly, just give it a brush here and there, and it'll help to stay clean. So again, my shower is not that dirty, but I just removed everything and I disinfected it first, and then I believe I put some cleaning product and then rinsed it, and just brush it, and yeah, rinse it again, as you can see. There we go. So yeah, and I add Windex at the end, just to make sure that it's like super shiny. Just be careful whenever you add Windex, and then go with the squeegee, because it did splash a little bit on my eyes, even though I did have my glasses on. So yeah, so cleaning the outer, and then moving on to the toilet. Again, we do clean the toilet once in twice a week or whatever, my husband or I. So it wasn't as dirty, but it's always good to just give it a little clean. So here we go. And I couldn't get the camera right in that edge, so yeah, but I mean, you can get the idea of what I was doing there. And then sweep, because I do have there's a lot of hairs on the floor sometimes. Even though I had my daughter 2 years ago, I still shed a little bit of hair, so I have to pick them up. And here I brought the mop and the broom, and I picked up the garbage, and I also took off the mats because I'm gonna go ahead and wash them. And here I am mopping the floor. This mop is not so good. I prefer the other one, the simple one, but I got this one. I don't use it as much. I have different mops that I used. So here I'm just drying it with the rag. Just make sure that it's dried, and at the same time it's removing all the hairs that I might have left with the mop. So yeah, with my hand sometimes. So we are so done. What do you guys think? I actually took about an hour to do this, or an hour and maybe 20 minutes. I mean, yeah, it's hard work, but the thing is that if I maintain it like this, I won't have to deep clean it until maybe in another month, but I have to keep on cleaning it every day. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, subscribe. Bye.